is like a big sign, but I think like relocating is less damaging and also it's much cheaper than rebuilding constantly over and over again. So I'm actually like really curious to know like if the government just said, okay, this is an emergency, we can't let people live in like coastal housing, how much money could that be saved up for those funds that are constantly being brought to those homes years and years and years? Like they just bring that money out of nowhere. When in reality, if you just relocated them, all that money could be funded towards like utilities and technology that could help us understand climate change and like help us predict things easier and better for us.
So instead you're saying that there should be some kind of top-down, government-down
Yeah.
regulation, and they should do the analyses to show that economically in the long haul it's better, right?
Yes, yeah.
So I'll just put it as an interesting discussion. Top-down means kind of the government decides and dictates, right? Top-down decision versus, I guess the opposite is bottom-up, right? So
Yeah.
is the community gets together, you know, like the community gets together. So what are the benefits and drawbacks of this two things, right? Top-down versus bottom-up. Right? Okay, great. Well, thank you. So okay, this gives a lot of things. I would argue, I mean, the overarching thing is basically analyzing if relocation is the best solution and if it's feasible, right? I know there's also issues of why the current situation is not, the best to work on. Okay? Let's see a couple of things I would add that I thought of as I was writing my notes. One is to, I just want to make sure from a scientific point of view, I guess I want to make sure people understand why increased hurricane. Okay, so that's kind of technical thing, kind of just has a Latin's little paragraph there, but I want to make sure people understand it. Not, ask me to do that, I guess the natural scientists here. And the other thing I'd like to ask you is, how do you think that this plays out when you go from the local to the international scale? Right? So we have these very specific things that are happening, but civil unrest are happening in a bunch of places. So when you think about like island nations and stuff like that, how does this extend to those? Okay. All right. So what I'd like to do is have a little bit of small group discussion. So hopefully you looked at these questions, and I'd like to just spend a minute, maybe writing 2 or 3 that you'd like to discuss in a smaller group. And I'm going to divide you into groups of 3, and I'll give you, let's say, 15 minutes. I'll check with you after 15 minutes. 15 minutes to have a small group discussion, so everybody gets to participate on a subset of these questions. I'll let you choose. Okay, so each of you going to write one, and then when you're in your group, going to share it. And it's 10 after, so it's 15 minutes. It's 25 after. We'll open it for a classified discussion. Okay, and you will get the report, but you came over this moment. We have that other room available for us too. So once you get your group of 3, maybe a couple of groups can go to the other room. Okay, and we'll come back here at 25 after. Okay. So maybe I'll say this Catholic class. The other room. And maybe identify one of you that will report out. To report out to the class.